Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you my brain tumour awareness tutorial. May is Brain Tumour Awareness Month, so it's dedicated for that. First off, I use the Barry M cotton jelly polish as my base for my gradient. I use the Beauty Big Bangs liquid latex to protect my cuticle and my finger. If you aren't already aware, I know a lot of you on Instagram who currently follow me know that my mum had a brain tumour. Sadly, she lost her battle 10 years ago. So each May I do like to do a awareness design. But next up for the design, I used a makeup sponge with the Beauty Big Bangs grey stamping polish and the Barry M cotton, and apply this to the makeup sponge and then transfer it onto the nail. I do this step several times to get a good coverage, and then with the Born Pretty Amazon 2018 BP26 stamping plate, I use the Beauty Big Bangs silver stamping polish and use the ribbon design, peeling off the liquid latex. It didn't want to come off. I think it had dried too much. Give it a bit of a clean up with some nail polish remover and a brush. Then on another nail, I use the Beauty Big Bangs grey stamping polish as my base. I apply 2 layers of this, as I do like a good coverage for my nail polish. And then again with the Beauty Big Bangs silver stamping polish and the Born Pretty Amazon stamping plate BP26, I used the ribbon image. And then all topped off with the Barry M's matte top coat. I hope you like my tutorial. Please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe, as this does mean a lot to me, as like I said, it is in tribute to my mum. Thanks for watching.